How to download Gmail emails to your device. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick method to download Gmail emails to your device. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Gmail application on your device and then select any email that you want to download to your device. Once you have selected, tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now on this drop-down menu box, select Print option. And on this preview page of Print, you have to select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now select Save as PDF. This will let you access to this page where you can simply select the location where you want to download your Gmail emails. You can also select the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen and select your device. And on this section, you can select any location of your choice. Once you have done that, you need to simply tap on Save button. Before that, you can also change the PDF name. Once you have done that, the Gmail emails has already been saved. To that location, let's open our file manager and then select the location where you have downloaded the Gmail emails. So as you can see that we have successfully downloaded your Gmail emails on our device. So in this way, you can also download any Gmail emails you'd like to. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.